We are back on the move, about to go bodyboarding. Pretty early, catching the sunrise, headed into Ocean City now. Check out the view. All right, just got parked on a random street. And what's really funny is this hotel is where I stayed on the first hurricane swell I ever rode 9 years ago. Coincidence. Fuck. So I decided to come here last minute. The surf is fading fast, but I'm hoping that we catch a little pulse here right at sunrise. I see some lines now. We're gonna get up here and take a closer look. Making the sand look nice. So this looks pretty fun, guys. I think we're just gonna call this the spot, head on out. Good vibes from the Ocean One Hotel. First hurricane swell bodyboarding, stayed the night there. It's a good vibe. I think this is a spot. How's it going?
Good. Okay.
All right, guys, looks fun. We're gonna get into it. Cut to the edit now. You. Guys, I am stoked. Solid session. Some fun waves, not too big, but they had a nice shape. Couple mini barrels out there. I'm craving a coffee. I'm gonna go find a coffee, maybe some breakfast, and we're gonna consider a second session. All right, I don't even know where I am, but they say they got really good coffee.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, how you doing?
Excellent. What can I get you?
I'll do a double espresso.
Double espresso?
Yeah, I'll do that and one of these little muffins here.
Blueberry muffin?
Yeah, please.
Thank you.
Super good. All right, walking up for round two. It is just a gem of a day out. Really starting to get warm out. Pretty nice. Stoked. You. All right, second session. Cutting to the edit now. You. I just can't get over. Post-session, back on the boardwalk, about to go to Dumser's Dairyland. Craving a milkshake. Bodyboarded for like 5 or 6 hours. This thing's about to be delicious. Can I do an Oreo crush milkshake? That's all. Got an Oreo crush shake from Dumser's. Try it out. First sip review. Oh my God. That is just otherworldly after bodyboarding as long as I just did. So good. All right guys, I got my milkshake. I'm riding out of here. Pretty sick day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out a ton. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you in the next one.